boy beka kan rasa ka adang te alung chok minan umma okay sise oh ka zong nga kau dua chen ka ka balon ku pa ne ka shwe la hi la mi chu mo la ka ma no ka chong ha la ka na ready mo a chon lo mi bo bo ka za on ha la le hi chung an kai la ka chon lo nga la lo hyo okay ka music are ready mo
Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. And man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day.
Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible said, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a king was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born
ka alam mo ni ka mo na mo
while shepherds watch their flock by night, they see a bright new shining star. They hear a choir sing a song. The music seemed to come from afar. Hark now, hear the angels sing. A king was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day.
For a moment the world was aglow, all the bells rang out, there were tears of joy and laughter. People shouted, let everyone know there is hope for all to find peace.
Now Joseph and his wife Mary came to Bethlehem that night. They found no place to bear a child, not a single room was in sight. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a king was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day.
For a moment the world was aglow, all the bells rang out, there were tears of joy and laughter. People shouted, let everyone know there's hope for all to find peace. Oh my Lord, when in the crypt they found him, oh my Lord, a golden halo crowned him, oh my Lord. They gathered all around him to see him and adore.
Oh my Lord, they had begun to doubt you. Oh my Lord, what did they know about you? Oh my Lord, but they were lost without you. They needed you so bad. Oh my Lord, with the child's adoration. Oh my Lord, there came great jubilation. Oh my Lord, and full of admiration, they realized what they had. Oh my Lord, send your son to save us. Oh my Lord.
CVMC อันเทียมหมออันเทียมหมอ
se CVMC qualify